Okay guys, we're so excited. Sierra is coming today and she is one of my absolute favorites. And I didn't even know, but she wants to change it up today. Usually we do like 2 or 3 rows of kind of pretty bright blonde extensions and then make her like a nice summery blonde, but she wants to change it up. She wants to do more of a bronze look and only do 1 row of extensions, just the length of her hair. So it's gonna be so fun to like change it up. And I feel like with her, she looks good with anything. So I can't wait to see how it goes. So let's get started.
Hey guys, I'm Sierra Furtado. I'm a YouTuber. This is my 3rd time coming to Chrissy. I love her so much. And we're switching it up a little bit today. We're gonna do, because usually I like do full 3 rows, really long. So today we're doing a little bit shorter and a little bit more of like a sandy blonde. So excited to switch it up. And yeah.
First, I'm gonna add 1 row of extensions. And usually we do 2 or 3, but we're just gonna do 1 for thickness because we're gonna just do it the length of her hair. So it's gonna be so cute. Just give her a little texture. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and root the extensions. And because we don't want them to be bright at the base. Then after that, we're gonna start baby lighting. But we're gonna mix it up and we're going to alternate and do some with a low light and some bring all the way through her ends, some just 3/4. We'll alternate as I go. So 1 blonde to 1 low light, and then we're gonna keep that going all the way to the back. The front, I'm gonna keep her muddy piece and I'm gonna keep it bright in the front. After that, we are going to tone her up. So after she processes, then we're gonna take her to the bowl, wash it out, and see what I wanna do next. I want her to have a root. I want it to be rich and not blunt to the root. I want it to be shadowed and really blended down. The mids, we're going to do a 9 and 9 GB. Let that sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna 10 BS her ends with a little bit of 10G and 10N. After that, rinse that off, and then we're gonna go ahead and style her up. We're gonna blow dry her, and then we're gonna give her some cute beachy waves, and then we're gonna go ahead and get her makeup touched up, and then it's time for after photos. Okay, so this is Sierra's final product. As you can see, it's a nice sandy blonde. It's like perfect and beachy and looks more natural. And the thing is, when we weave in more demi-permanent colors, it's so easy to go back to blonde and it will fade out so pretty and so beachy. So it'll be great for grow out and great to keep the healthiness of her hair. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like down below, and we'll see you next time.